hit start. Good job. You don't want to do too much. Get eye level with it. Does that look like 3/4? Let's see. Oh, don't worry. Yep, pretty good. What did we put in there?
Ingredients.
But what ingredients?
Baking soda, salt, flour.
Flour. Cool. Dab that butter. Watch your fingers. There you go. Oh. Or you could just do it that way. Good job, sir. Carefully. Did you get it all in? We can lift the KitchenAid's top if you need to empty it more. Good job. I'm trying to get a good angle here, Matthew. What was that you just put in there?
Salt.
It was not salt. That would be a lot of salt. Can you imagine?
No.
It was sugar.
Sugar.
Careful. There you go. Good job. Lock it in place. Oh, knock it down a notch. There you go.
Knock it down a notch.
Look at that perfectly cracked egg in there. Who did that? Who did it? Who did it? It was you!
No, it was Jack!
Well, then he's talented. Gotta put that in there.
Jack bit the egg. Still cracked it.
Put that egg in there before we put in. No, before you crack the other one. Go ahead. Bum, bum, bum. Here, I'll hold the egg. Watch your finger. Don't get it pinched. 'Cause it hurts. Good job.
Ew, the bowl drooled.
Oh, you didn't lock it.
Ah. It's gonna be a party.
It'll explode.
Then we have to start all over.
Yeah. No, thank you. Here you go.
Oh. Can you hold the bowl?
Yeah, I'll hold it. Go ahead. Oh,
wait.
remember?
Woohoo! That was funny. Don't explode.
Good job.
No eggshell.
No eggshell. Put the smaller part.
Okay.
Good job, Matthew.
Ew. It stinks.
Like sweet, sweet confectionery.
It smells like chicken.
If your cupcake mix smells like chicken, we've done something wrong.
We added too much salt and too much vanilla extract.
Okay, go ahead and pour in a little more.
That's why it smells like a chicken.
Go ahead, you can pour a little more than that. Too much! Just joking. Alright, let it blend a little bit.
Yeah, I got chocolate on me. This smells good. Am I allowed to lick it?
Sure. Now go wash your hands. I told you it wouldn't taste good. It's not sweet.
You didn't even tell me yet.
I did tell you! What are you making now?
Hey, ow.
Really?
Hey. Marshmallow cream frosting. Marshmallow cream frosting.
News of all, it's free when you order a proactive kit in the next 10 minutes.
What do you got to offer us today?
Okay. Since I'm the boss.
Thank you.
You're the boss.
Watch me make
Yeah,
interest rate.
I'll be the boss.
Here.
Looking cool. Step 1.
Whatever kind you're searching for, creditcards.com lets you
Good job.
hundreds of cards to find the one that's right for you.
I'm Mr. Krabs, the boss.
You're Mr. Crab, the boss.
Yeah, I want to be all.
Gary.
And I'm all the human and the SpongeBob as well.
Oh.
Gary, keep on working. Hi.
What'd you put on top of the cupcakes?
Frosting and crumbs.
Crumbs? What kind of crumbs?
Graham cracker crumbs.
Good job, Matthew. These look delicious.
I want to eat one now.
It looks like you already have. You're messy. Go get washed up. Eat it. I don't know why the frosting didn't turn out the same. Is it good? Is that good?
Uh-huh.
Did Matthew do good, Elijah? They're so good they make you want to dance. You are weird little men.